Just stay still for a second because he's leery now. Get it up to your mouth and then take a step. Got him. Yep, bring him over. Let him get him.
Let him get in the water?
Nope, you can get him. You can bring him over. You gotta tighten the drag. Yep. Just
naughty head, right?
yeah, set it hook. I didn't know they had him in here. Wow. The drag's not set good. That guy was giving you a